we are talking about Xlookup, which is almost same as VLOOKUP, but it offers more. I'm removing the bonus from here, and we have other sheet here where we can see name, profession, bonus. So same name and profession, salary is here. I'm going to take the bonus from the other sheet. Is equal Xlookup, open bracket, then lookup value, what we are looking. Just use the lookup value, what we are looking. So I'm taking the name, it means employee name, comma, lookup array, from where you are looking. So names are here. I'm just dragging, press F4 for fixing. Then what we need, return value. So that return value will be bonus. So drag it, press F4 to fix it. Then we have other three arguments are here, that is optional. So now I'm not adding these arguments, I'm closing the bracket. So we have got the bonus here, just drag it. So the last row, it's not available because that name not available in the second sheet. So if we want to remove this, normally in the VLOOKUP we are using if error. So I'm changing the decimal, the percentage here. Now I want to remove the not available from here. So we can see here that the first, the other argument is if not found. See, here we can enter 0. So I'm adding 0 here. So I can start from the first cell, add 0, then drag it. So that in case it's not available, we added here 0. So in case I want to get the exact amount for the bonus. So in Xlookup, we need to know the exact amount of bonus. Multiply salary, then enter it. Just drag it. We have got it. We need to change it to number format. Just change to number format. We have got the bonus values. I hope you understand this basic video. Thank you very much.